Hey everybody, Esteban here at FlexPipe. Today I want to show you guys a transport cart. A couple of the takeaways here. We have the drop down spring loaded here, so we can go ahead and trolley this to another one. So this one we can drop down and then the spring is going to want to bring it up. So actually I'll just spin this around. And imagine we're going to set this up with another trolley. So the idea is that that spring is going to come in and engage with the other side here. So we're going to be able to connect as many trolleys as we'd like. So that's a cool little thing to think about there. Other takeaways, the cart here, they've done a really nice job with customizing the interior portion here. So these I'm sure it probably got machined. So they have a nice cut all throughout, very flush, very smooth. And basically they're probably going to be placing individual parts. They want to keep them separated from being damaged. So again, it's just a nice little barrier all around protecting whatever they're going to be putting in here. And then they've done a cool job, the designers here at Flex, that they're using the H5s to go ahead and hold the surfaces together. So that's basically just two H5s together, drilling through and basically holding the panels together. So that's another little way to go ahead and join panels to the structure. So very, very cool there. And then the last thing I want to point out again is just basically that they've gone ahead and utilize all the space. And by that I mean basically in between the two spaces here, they've gone ahead and added a nice pull out drawer made out of HDPE 1/2 inch. It slides nice and well. So again, really good job with the design here from the boys in the design lab. So that's it for today. Hope you can get a few ideas from this card here and essentially make it your own. So take care.